Assalamualaikum and very good morning. Welcome to English Forum Day 2020. Thank you very much for attending this forum. Our issue for today is social media and mental health issue, the good, the bad and the ugly. Before we start our forum, let me introduce myself. My name is Miss Adila as moderator. Our first panel, Mr. Mikhail, Chairman of Student Council of UMK. Hi, how are you, Mikhail?
Yes, I'm fine.
Alright, our second panel is Mr. Adrian, Family Counsellor. Hi, Mr. how are you?
Yes, I'm good. Thank you.
Alright, our last panel is our special invited motivator, Dr. Malik. Hi, Dr. Malik, how are you?
Okay, Alhamdulillah, I'm fine. Thank you, Miss Adila.
Thank you to all panel. For your information, an estimated 63% of teenagers say they use social media every day, while 45% say they use internet almost constantly. According to the Pew Research Center, which conduct a survey in 2018, including interview with 743 teenagers. Alright, let we start our forum. Dr. Malik, in your opinion, what is the good of social media issue for teenagers' mental health? Can you give some opinion to us?
Thank you, Mrs. Adila. Okay, I believe everybody in this program love to scrolling media social. I also love to do that because every day I'm checking my phones to find out the latest news, to update my ideas, my videos, motivation video, and I use media social to promoting my motivation program. Okay, Mrs. Adila asked to me, what is the good of media social among the teenagers' mental health? I have 2 points to answer this question. First point is media social can inspire healthy lifestyle changes because by using media social, someone can change their lifestyle to become a healthy lifestyle. It is because in media social have a lots of informations and a lots of internet user keep updating their media social with the latest step news or informations how to get a healthy lifestyle. Healthy lifestyle is not only focus how to feed your body and not just doing healthy activities, but eating the healthy food also important to make sure you are practicing healthy lifestyle, so that some internet user use the media social to teach or to show the recipe how to cook the healthy food. So that I can highlight here, media social can be one of the platform to make sure to inspire you to become or make your life become a healthy lifestyle. Okay. Point number 2 is media social can offer us opportunity to connect with other people, either near or far. And media social also can be a platform for us to sharing a problem, to share something that we want to share to other people. But when we want to share a problem or something, we must share with only the trusted people. Okay, for example, I have some problems. I cannot keep it alone because when I keep it alone, I will feel stressed. So that I can use my media social to connect or chatting with my friends. So when I chatting with my friends, I can share with her or he or she with my problems. Okay, so that I can tell my problems to my friends, and my friend also can be a good listener to me to hear what problems I face. So that when that I conclude, what can I conclude is we can use a media social to share a problem with our trusted person, and also can make us become happy and not feeling alone. That's important, because when we are happy and when we are not alone, our mental illness is in a good level. Okay, I pass to the moderator. Thank you.
Thank you to Dr. Malik. From what Dr. Malik said, we are able to know that social media can inspire healthy lifestyle change, and social media also can offer the opportunity for us to connect with other people in the near or far people. Alright, at this time on COVID-19 issue of social distancing and isolation, social media can be an invaluable tool for keeping us in touch with friends, family, loved ones, and other people in the world. Alright, but be mindful of how it make you feel. If spending time on social media make you feel stressed, take steps to limit your engagement. And always check reputable news sources before you believing or forwarding it to others, because the fake news will make other people panic. Alright, a study published earlier this year by University of Pittsburgh School of Medicine with support from the US National Institute of Health found that the more time young adults spend on social media, the more likely they were to have problems like sleeping and experience system of depression. Alright, I will continue this forum, and I want to ask a question to Mr. Mikhail. You, as a chairman of Student Council of UMK, what are the effects that can be related to yourself? Can you explain it to us?
Thank you, moderator. Honestly, I think social media has had a particularly bad effect on teenagers. It because spend time scrolling social media can result in symptoms of anxiety and depression. In other words, social media can be destructive. Among them is cyberbullying. As we know, cyberbullying is a form bully or harassment in digital space, particularly on social media, including posting threats, sexual remarks, and hate speech. Therefore, almost teenagers nowadays be a victim of cyberbullying. Cyberbullying will have a clear intent to harm them by emotionally. The effect of cyberbullying on teenagers can range from increased stress and anxiety, depression, decreased self-esteem, and confidence, and also lead to suicide. Second is social comparison. As we know, using social media, people can share details about their lifestyle, their relationship, social event, and more. There will be comparison with each other. Sometimes people compare themselves to others as a way of fostering self-improvement, self-motivation, and a positive self-image. But sometimes people will waste their time to do comparison themselves with other people and make lower self-esteem. It becomes worse when they can't control themselves to make a comparison and to focus on other people's life. That comparison can make them feel worse and creating anxiety, loneliness, and depression.
Thank you to Mr. Mikhail for his unexpected opinion. As a teenagers, all of us have to always take note about the effect of the social media to our health. For your information, in today's world, many of us rely on social media platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, Snapchat, YouTube, Instagram, and others to find and connect with each other. Social media have own benefit, but remember that social media can never be a replacement for real-world human connection. It requires in-person contact with others to trigger the hormones that elevate stress and make you feel happier, healthier and more positive. But remember, spending too much time with social media can actually make you feel lonely, isolated and also sometimes can get mental health problems such as anxiety and depression. Alright, to continue this forum, I would like to ask next question to Mr. Nawar Adrian. Mr. Nawar Adrian, you as family counsellor, can you share with all audience for today what the bad of social media and mental health issue?
Thank you, moderator, for your question. For me, when we talk about bad things of social media that can affect mental health, especially people in Malaysia nowadays, for me is fake news. It is because there will always be people who want to take advantage of media distribution method, including spreading fake news to the public. This trend is really dangerous because it can cause a trouble in our country. For example, in current situation in our country related with COVID-19, we can see of fake news have gone viral on social media. This information, this fake news made the bad thing in our country. We can see panic buying has happened. So our government need to disclose the truth information to make people in Malaysia do not worry about it. The second is unhealthy sleep pattern. Parents should be aware and take this problem as a serious matter. Children nowadays tend to staying up late night until 4 to 5 a.m. only for scrolling the media social, playing games, watching YouTube, and more. This kind of habit not good for their health. Their sleeping cycles will be disturbed and they will not get enough sleep. For an example, if they sleep around 3 to 4 a.m. and tomorrow they need wake up on 6 a.m. to go to school. Because of this, they only sleep around 3 hours. As a result, they will feel sleepy at school and they cannot be focused in their class. So, as a parent, we need to control our children to avoid them being overly addicted with social media. Yes, that's all from me.
Thank you, Mr. Nawar Adrian, for your unexpected opinion. I hope all of information and knowledge about this issue can be useful for our life. For your information, I have a few tips to all of you to do to avoid this issue. First of all, use an application to track how much time you spend on media social each day. Then, set a goal for how much you want to reduce it. Second tips is turn off your phone at certain time, especially during you driving, in meeting, at gym, having dinner with family, spending time with your friend and others. Also, remember, do not take together your phone with you to the bedroom. remember it. As a conclusion, social media have good and bad. Some research has found that social media can be resources for teenagers to find social support when they are struggling in their life, and they can use different online platforms such as Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Snapchat, and others as a platform to express their feeling. Alright, that's all for today. Thank you because all of you spend your time for listening this forum. I, as a moderator, want to apologize if I have made a mistake during this forum. Alright, that's all. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Okay, thank you. Bye.
Bye.